tried to film this quite a few times now, and I've never really been able to hit the nail on the head as to why I'm actually making this. I originally wanted to make it to sort of give teachers a reason to keep teaching. However, now I've finished it, I think it's more for just me as a way of remembering teaching and showing the reality of teaching for most British teachers, whether they're in college or whether they're at a school, and just why we teach. What is it about teaching that means I've done this for 10 years and I keep doing it? I think the main drive is the people, the students you meet, the other teachers you meet. You're driven to do the best for them. I love passing on my knowledge to students and interacting with them and showing them how to work in the industry or make a film or create a radio show. It's one of the greatest feelings seeing a student sort of light bulb moment when they see a little spark, when they kind of go, I've got it, I understand it, I'm there, I get it. And you know, every time you teach, you hope to get that kind of feeling out of it. I also really like the banter with students. I probably am more sarcastic than is probably Ofsted approved. But for me, it's a way of working with students to create that kind of human interaction. I'm not a school teacher, I'm not going to treat them like kids. They're not kids, they're adults. And as such, they should be treated as adults. And there is a bit of banter in my classroom and it's knowing the boundaries, but I really love that about teaching and having that banter with students and bouncing off them. Also giving students a chance at seeing things and doing things that they just would not do in their normal life. We've taken students abroad to Berlin, Paris, we've been to London, we've taken them to see TV shows being made, and we've taken students to places that they would never go, they would never see, they would never experience, or in some cases, never been on a plane before. And then as I've been a teacher for 10 years, it's seen the lives change of students, going from maybe coming to us at level 2 or level 1, going all the way through to degree, seeing them get jobs in the industry, seeing them work for Channel 4, Sky, BBC, make films, independent films, or work on film sets as some students are doing. It's the most rewarding thing in the world, seeing a student that you taught become something, become someone, and it's something they wanted to do, and they did that because you taught them.
This got me thinking, what do students think of college or university teachers? What do they think they actually do? And what is college or university to them?